Right, so there's just two things we need to know for this question. On a straight line, the sum of the angles is 180. And also the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So this 150 degree angle leaves 30 degrees in there, and the same goes for this other location. That all leaves us with 120 remaining in that triangle, which then implies that the other side of that line is 60 degrees. Now this last remaining unknown angle is 30 because it's on the other side of the line from the 150, and that all leaves us with 90 degrees for x. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.